Gracie, Gracie, Gracie. Yeah? Where you there? I'm inside the room. Come.
Goody, I found a man. I am no longer single, my dear. No longer single.
Is that so?
Yes, girl, he is
Oh my.
handsome,
Oh.
sweet.
He's such a gentleman. He's a gentleman from Sport
I'm happy
Town.
for you, girl.
He treats me well.
Mm.
Oh, he's so him hot. He's so hot, girl.
Oh, man.
Just thinking about him.
Girl.
He's sweet like syrup. He's so nice. Really now? Then that's good. You're no longer single. So you have any picture of him? Yes, my dear.
Pop picture, Paul, my friend.
Here is my nice clean man.
Look on him good body, girl. Nice, muscular body. Clean, handsome, and sweet.
That's
Oh,
it. How?
Tash,
Hmm?
isn't this a ring on his finger?
Yes, it's a ring. You don't see the man is married. You know that the man is married.
Yes, Mano.
My God. And so what?
Jesus is Lord.
How you mean so what? You don't see that he belongs to another woman. You don't see the ring on his finger. He's married. If he was happy, he wouldn't take up him nice clean self and run come to me. The reason why he came to me is because he need a woman, a real woman. So I'm making him happy. What is your problem? It doesn't matter if he's happy or not. He's just a cheater. He's still wearing the ring. That means he's still married. He's just a cheater, and you know what this is causing? This is causing pain in their home. This is causing tears for the wife. It's not right. Listen, girl. Who God put together, let no man put asunder. Don't do this. Don't do it. First of all, he will leave her. And I say leave. He will leave her and come to me. Well, that's where you go wrong. Because I'm sure he's just using you. He will never ever leave his wife and come to you, girl. He's proudly wearing the ring. If they were having problems like that, maybe he would take it off. He have on the ring all in front of you. He's proudly wearing it. That is to show you that he will never leave his wife for you. He will never. And this is just causing the wife to find out that her husband is cheating. She would have to work it out. She's going to cry day and night. Girl, you would really want to put yourself in that space right now? I don't care what the wife feels.
You know you can be prosecuted.
That is her
for that.
pain, not mine. So what do I care? Want me to kill off myself over what wife feel? Not my cup of tea, dear. I don't business. Girl, a real woman never break another woman's home to make her own. Because you see, if you build your home with another woman's tears, it will never stand. It will never work. Because the same thing that the husband is doing to her is the same thing he's going to do to you. And you can't talk to him. You can't say to him, say, you're breaking us up because you just break up him and his wife. Girl, it's not for you and it's nothing to be proud of. Don't do it. You're my friend and I'm telling you, don't do it. When you put it that way, side chick life don't nice at all. Damn man. When we come to you, when we come here for, now everything just break up. I'm an officer, you're right. It's like all this is just sweet lies. Pure sweet lies. You know the kind where you doubt, but you still want to believe? Beres was right. It's just sweet lies, you know? Broken dreams that might never happen. I mean, you're my friend and you're married for true, and if me hear some girl come and I look after your husband, me a batter clean, and now watch you cry.
And it wouldn't
But
be a
now
nice
watch you shed no
feeling.
tears when no other woman a mash up your house. So when we look on it that way, then it's really not fair. It don't make sense. We as female cause each other
That
tears.
makes no sense.
Better we look out for each other.
Same way so.
Oh boy. No. A instant block and delete.
No, you're talking, girl.
Instant block and delete.
Yeah.
What a man wicked man when
Yeah,
you look
tell
into
you,
him.
wicked
Wicked
bad.
bad.
Damn.
I feel bad.
I feel your pain. I
I
understand.
feel bad.
I understand, man.
What my phone? Pass it. Delete me and delete. Everything me and delete you now. Because you ended there with you, my F.
Yeah,
I said me an idiot. Imagine.
Yeah, frightened for no one.
And the poor wife gonna cry.
Do you think, yeah,
Delete
girl?
everything. So. Done. It's good to have a good friend.
Thanks, yeah. That's what friends are for. You're always my friend.